family travel. Chose this hotel because of its appearance and it did not disappoint. Entire hotel feels like home and the lobby is exquisite. Across the hotel are 2 combini and 7 minutes away from Shinsaibashi. Staff are very polite and courteous. We will book this again next time. High CP value choice, reasonable price and convenient location. We definitely recommend to travelers to Osaka. Awesome hotel, awesome service. Bespoke Hotel in Osaka has been the best. From service and amenities, we fell in love. Absolutely satisfied. We enjoyed our stay at the property. The location was perfect, close to public transportation and other interesting places. The staff quite professional and helpful. The cleanliness of the property was impeccable. It was an amazing experience and we recommend this property. Nice and friendly hotel. The rooms quite spacious. All the staffs are young, fluent in English and friendly. We can send our luggages 2 days before arrival and they help us to fill in a form to send our luggages to airport. Located 250 meters from the crowd of Shinsaibashi. Exceptional. I love this place near Family Mart and 7-Eleven. Very good, very nice rooms, very friendly staff. Modern, convenient and lively. Thank you. Honeymoon. We made a mistake and accidentally took the wrong luggage at the airport and the hotel staff helped us with the safe return of our luggage as we went back to the airport to collect our bag. All the hotel staff are friendly and helpful and made our hotel stay feels like home. Thank you. Exceptional. Staff are so accommodating and friendly and can speak English. You can ask for free bottled water every day. Although the room is quite small, I can still say it is worth your money. Very near to Dotonbori and Shinsaibashi Suchi and near to Shinsaibashi and Nagaharabashi Station. Across the hotel is a family mart where you can buy SNCKS and exchange money. Also overall it is worth staying here. Nice place, convenient place. Exceptional, great place to stay. Good hotel. The rooms, lobby, and hallways are clean. Walking distance to Shinsaibashi Shopping Street, near transportation, trains, bus, convenience stores and restaurants nearby, and staff are very helpful and accommodating. Value for money, smiley face. Exceptional, very good location. Near Shinsaibashi, Namba, and Dotonbori.